Welcome. Let's look at this JAMB Past Questions Biology 2018. Question number 23. In the root vascular system, the stele is directly surrounded by the A. Pericycle, B. Cortex, C. Endodermis, D. Parenchyma. Now, the root vascular system of plants has the stele, which is directly surrounded by the cortex. So when you have your diagram of the root vascular system, you understand, you're going to find out that the cortex is actually what surrounds the stele. So what is this stele? The stele consists of vascular tissues. So the stele actually consists of vascular tissues made up of alternate phloem and xylem. So that's what the stele is consisting of, and it is actually surrounded by the cortex. So it actually consists of vascular tissues that is made up of alternate phloem and xylem bundles arranged in rings. So, and that makes C the right answer to the problem. Thank you.